In this video, we are focusing on a specific kind of market, the competitive market. So what exactly is a competitive market? Let's say you want to buy a bottle of water. If there are many shops selling it nearby, all offering the same kind of water, you will naturally choose the cheapest one. And those shops know that, so none of them raise the price too high, because if one of them raises the price of water, you won't buy from them, you will buy from someone else. So no one controls the price. Everyone simply accepts the market price. This is what we call a competitive market, where there are many sellers, many buyers, and the goods being sold are identical or very similar. And no single buyer or seller has the power to influence the price. So everyone is a price taker. Now let's compare that with a monopoly so that you better understand what makes the competitive markets unique. Imagine there is only one place in your entire area, and it's the only place selling water. You need the water, and the shop knows it. And there is no other shop. They can charge you a much higher price, and you will probably still have to buy it because you have no alternative shops to buy from. Now in this case, they decide the price, not the market. That is a monopoly, when there is only one seller and many buyers. Since they control the price, they are also called the price makers. Okay, this was just a quick introduction to the two types of market structures. We will later explore all these different kinds of market structures in very detail. In our next video, we will focus on how prices are actually determined in a competitive market using demand and supply.